Cabin 15307A. This is a gorgeous suite in the Mega Rockstar Quarters. And wow, what a beautiful room. It's a European king. A lovely couch. And I really love that they got that record player going as we're doing these this tour of the room here. Got the record player. You can borrow some records or purchase records from the record shop down near the roundabout. This is the beautiful balcony. Got a table and chairs. Hammock. Believe that is an outdoor shower. That is spectacular. Got 2 sun loungers as well. This room offers beautiful ocean views on your private terrace. You head back into the room. Got a peekaboo window into the shower. Marble countertop, big beautiful sink. Lovely shower. There's that peekaboo window that looks into the room. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. Little bench. You've got your toilet area in here. And we'll head back out into the room. Seize the day indeed. In your gorgeous suite in the Mega Rockstar Quarters. This is 396 square feet with a 174 square foot terrace.